What's up guys, you're watching The Sit Show, and if you're new on my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And today we are going to talk about the Sony PlayStation 4 error. The error is that the NW-31246-6 a DNS settings problem fix. So I'm just going to share my screen on the left side, and here we go to fix the DNS problem, and here we are at the screen. Go to settings, then go to the network. Here we are at the network, view PlayStation network services. Sometimes the DNS is not working and server is down. That's why you get this error, the DNS settings problem, or DNS is not working. So if the DNS is working, then go back, set up a new connection, forget the old one, go to custom and go to manual. And here you can change the DNS settings. Here is the primary DNS and then the secondary DNS. Primary DNS to 8.8.8.8, change it, and the secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. And after that, you just connect the Wi-Fi or a LAN cable. LAN cable is better than the Wi-Fi. So that's how that simply you can fix this. And if the server is not working, then you just wait. Sony will fix this up automatically. If you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box.